First reading. A reading from the book of Sirach, chapter 36, verses 1, 4 to 5, and 10 to 17. Take pity on us, Master Lord of the universe. Look at us. Spread fear of yourself throughout all other nations. Let them acknowledge you, just as we have acknowledged that there is no God but you, Lord. Send new portents, do fresh wonders, win glory for your hand and your right arm. Gather together all the tribes of Jacob, restore them their heritage as at the beginning. Take pity, Lord, on the people called by your name, on Israel, whom you have made your firstborn. Have compassion on your holy city, on Jerusalem, the place where you rest. Fill Zion with your praises, and your sanctuary with your glory. Vindicate those whom you created first. Fulfill what has been prophesied in your name. Give those who wait for your their reward. Let your prophets be proved true. Grant, Lord, the prayer of your servants in the terms of Aaron's blessing on your people, so that all the earth inhabitants may acknowledge that you are the Lord, the everlasting God. This is the word of Lord. Thanks be to God. A reading from the Gospel according to Mark, chapter 10, verses 32 to 45. They were on the road going up to Jerusalem. Jesus was walking on ahead of them. They were in a daze, and those who followed were apprehensive. Once more, taking the 12 aside, he began to tell them what was going to happen to him. Now we are going up to Jerusalem, and the Son of Man is about to be handed over to the chief priests and the scribes. They will condemn him to death and will hand him over to the Gentiles, who will mock him and spit at him and scourge him and put him to death. And after 3 days he will rise again. James and John, the sons of Zebedee, approached him. Master, they said to him, we want you to do us a favor. He said to them, what is it you want me to do for you? They said to him, allow us to sit one at your right hand and the other at your left in your glory. But Jesus said to them, you do not know what you are asking. Can you drink the cup that I shall drink, or be baptized with the baptism with which I shall be baptized? They replied, we can. Jesus said to them, the cup that I shall drink, you shall drink, and with the baptism with which I shall be baptized, you shall be baptized. But as far as seats at my right hand or my left, these are not mine to grant. They belong to those to whom they have been allotted. When the other 10 heard this, they began to feel indignant with James and John. So Jesus called them to him and said to them, you know that among the Gentiles, those they call their rulers lord it over them, and their great men make their authority felt. Among you, this is not to happen. No, anyone who wants to become great among you must be your servant, and anyone who wants to be first among you must be slave to all. For the Son of Man himself came not to be served, but to serve, and to give his life as a ransom for many.